Hi guys, today I'm trying every single Halloween food I can find. Let's go. First stop is Krispy Kreme. Here they have it. So cute. We got them, guys. Hopefully they are delicious. Hopefully. Let's try them. So here it is, super cute. I thought I would get the Halloween box, but well, it's not bad. Oh my god, everybody's passing by. This is so embarrassing. My head. Look at those. I have all of them. And honestly, I'm so excited to try this one, the ghost one. So cute. I think it's coconut. I'm not really certain. I will start with the one that I think I would like the least. Guys, here are the ingredients of the donut, in case you wonder how it is made. Look how it looks. Looks like little gums. I'm not sure what it has inside. It's going to be a surprise, so let's go. It's so weird. A donut and a gummy doesn't go well together. It has a little bit of cream inside. Can you see it? Not my favorite at all. I knew it, so. Nothing goes with nothing. The cream, with the donut, with the gummy, no. But let's try the next one. Looks like a spider web. Honestly, it looks like a normal donut. Chocolate donut. Who doesn't love this? Come on. Delicious. And after we have the pumpkin donut. Look at that. That's so nice. I honestly love this one. I don't want to eat it. It's too cute. But let's see how it tastes. Delicious. It has chocolate coming from here. And this is dark chocolate. Really hard, but nice. That one is going to be hard to beat. I will give it a 9 out of 10. Can you believe it? And we have the last one. It's just a glazed donut, but it looks like a ghost. Let's see how it tastes. There is a reason why I left this one for last, and it's just delicious. I thought it was coconut, but actually it's white chocolate there. Honestly, I will give it as well 9 out of 10. The ghost and the pumpkin are my winners. But honestly, everything Krispy Kreme, it's amazing.
Let's try Starbucks Halloween drinks and cookies.
They have those cute ghosts. So cute. Look at that. Insanity.
And this is the Halloween menu. They have 2 drinks and 3 cookies. Sadly, they don't have any Dracula's cookies left.
Thank you. Those are super cute. We have my pumpkin and we have... Who are you, Frankenstein? We're missing Dracula. They didn't have the Dracula cookies, so this will have to do. Let's try the pumpkin one. That's so good. Do you want to try? This is really buttery. Really buttery, guys. Really nice. Let's try my Frankenstein. Let's see. It's so good. It's yummy. Guys, approved, delicious, super buttery and sugary, but nobody cares. Here we have the Franken. It looks like Frankenstein, but super delicious. And here we have the Frappler. Ooh la la. I'm drinking the Frankenstein drink. Who hasn't seen that movie, hey? Let's see. I don't like mocha, and this one has mocha, so wish me luck. Weird.
Green tea.
Oh, it's green tea. Okay, it's not mocha, it's green tea, and I don't like it. You can taste the chocolate though, and the cream, but I'm not a fan of the green tea. Sorry, but 3 out of 10 on this one. You might like this one. Let's see. You love green tea? No? No, not approved. Pam pam. So let's try this one, guys. Eesh. This one has mocha sauce, milk, the white cream. I don't know what else. I will put it here. Feels like a strawberry something here.
Yeah, there is a bit of strawberry. There's a drizzle like of strawberry.
Okay, my friend is saying that there is a drizzle of strawberry. Overall, super yummy. I can feel the cream. I can feel the strawberry. Super good. I give it a 7 out of 10. Not bad. Okay, guys, let's go and try something else.
we went to get some candy from the store.
Shall we try those? Those looks good. And those are eyeballs. My new friend. Hello. Guys, we got them. Apparently, you need to put them on the freezer with water, so we will be doing that. Let's see how it tastes. I'm eating this one like this. Let's see. It's a normal gummy. Let's see how they taste frozen. Weird. I'm going to be just frozen 4 of them. Just because if they taste bad, I don't want to chuck them away. Bit of water. And they go into the freezer. Hopefully I'm doing this good. If not, it's what it is. Guys, it is ready. Let's see. They don't want to come out. They don't want to. Nothing. I say broke it. Broke it. There we go. We got them. Let's take this one. Beautiful eye. This is so weird, but let's try it. Tastes like candy. It's a frozen candy. You want one? Yes. I do one. Let's see.
Oh yeah, it tastes like candy.
It tastes like candy, but it's so weird. So not for me, guys, but I think it's fun for your kids. I don't know, maybe. But that was everything for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.